Yeah, they just got off the boat. Is it right there?
Oh, that's right. We would watch the boat come in. We just got some coffee from, what was it? Big Island Roasters. Sustainable island products. It looks really good. Look at the straw.
See if Uncle can bang some.
Yeah.
Try the Big Island roast.
The tourist spot.
Good.
It's pretty roasty,
Yeah,
huh?
I like it.
Huh?
That's what it is. Oh, the tip.
Huh?
The tip.
Yeah. Thank you. What a price? Oh, that's suspicious. No price on the fresh. Then like you get scared. What about the previously frozen? One price either? Oh yeah, wow. That's a new tactic.
That's it. Thank you.
Looks so good though. That's crazy. I didn't know what a price.
Oh, I know how much money I get.
There they are.
Please take your seat. Thank you for using the NCR self-serve checkout.
Kind of quick Walmart run.
Oh, that's a...
Holy schmilkers.
Okay. I just feel greasy when I go in that vodka. Weekend fishing camp. And whenever we come back.
Yep.
Ooh.
Finally made it to Punalu'u.
We're the parking right in there, I think. Schmood parking.
Schmood.
Royce. Look for a schmood parking spot.
Mr. Get It. Alright. This is the best sweetbread though, hands down. We love sweetbread.
I don't know again on the other islands. Probably you guys get
For
fired
Big
too.
Island,
For Big Island, for Big. Never they go here, you know. I mean, we
Me
eat the
either,
bread
I'm
obviously,
excited. But from the store.
never they go check this out.
Yeah.
So we're on our way to Kona. So let's check them out.
Out. What does he do?
I don't know.
Smells delicious.
Look.
Wow. The mural is nice. Our favorite. Look at their emu babe. Gotta go bank ATM now. Right. Got the cash back. No, even in Hilo had the cash on me.
One guava.
Are you ready? Yes. since yesterday.
Oh.
All right, 22.57 will be your total. All right, where's those? Half and half and sugars right over next to the soda fountain.
Is it good? What kind of bread's in there?
All the different flavors.
Bread sample. Let's go.
Use tongs, please.
Oh, sorry. On camera. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I know. Taste test. Which one?
Lily koi. I
Lily
don't know
koi.
if it's something inside.
Lily Schmoy. How is it? This is the first time you eat that, huh?
Good, sweet. Good.
I think it's very sweet.
Guaranteed these ones are probably gonna come better. But super soft. Good, fresh.
I like them plain like this. That's why I
Then
picked
cook
that
them
one too.
like- Yes, in Kona officially. Heading to Mahalo Kalanz property with his Ohana friends, everybody. We're gonna vibe, we're gonna chill, have a good time. Finally get to jump in the water, enjoy some freaking vitamin D out on this side. And yeah, probably do some night fishing too. So like I told you guys on day one, like I pretty much just rolling like freestyle, like, you know what I mean? Like I don't try to call shots and tell guys like, oh, we gotta do this and we gotta do that. Just like whatever everybody like do, that's what I like do. So stick around and we'll try to make something happen.
It's true. Hawaii is one of the most expensive, yet one of the most desirable places to live. But not every place is up for sale.
Well, we here. Shirt is off already. They banging the poo-poos already. Now I gotta get to work. I'm gonna hop in the water, wet the gills, check them out. Maybe I bang something good. What you guys think? So finally, guys, I'm in the water, getting locked and loaded, and yeah, just happy to be out in the ocean, seeing if I can get blessed on this dive. Alright, now we loaded up, time to hunt. I'm still getting used to diving with the GoPro too, so I think I gotta get a better angle too moving forward. But we just cruising, scouting the grounds. It's about 6 p.m. Sun is going down, but we got good visibility. Right here as I line up this shot, it's a striped jack. I think it's called the Pow Pow. Kind of far shot, miss. He was pretty good size. And, gotta reload. Shaft kind of stuck on some coral. Dive down, unstuck the shaft. You guys already know the drill. So for this dive, that's the only shot I took. I only brought the spear gun out. That's the only thing I had a possibility of shooting, and was kind of just hunting for something out of the ordinary and scouting for a future dive the next day. Yeah, so dive was fun though. You guys seen me miss that striped papillo, huh? Fucking scrub. Fuck, but one shot, one miss. At least I had an opportunity for something. Plenty ooze, but there's kind of wild. I seen plenty king cole, plenty cole, but I only had the gun and my body kui, so maybe the next time I go jump in with a tree prong and get the pan fries. But I'm gonna fish tonight. Your boy gonna fish tonight, and I get some time for collect some fish. So we're gonna produce. Trust me, we're gonna produce.
One way 500.
That's like how much it costs to come here from Washington one way too.
His last flight from December was 200. He was on the cargo plane.
Looks good. You try it or not yet? Courtesy of BJ Reese, right?
Yeah. Country built on IG.
Country built?
Well, see, Japanese only do things one way.
BJ Reese, he get the grind.
Yeah, they make sausage long time.
What else did he make for
Always,
us?
oh,
Kalua pig, huh?
Kalua pig, lau. Yeah, but I've been getting hooked up with some killer
Since we've been here, they've been
grinds,
giving us food.
Same guys, killer laulaus, killer Kalua pig, inu kind.
Where's this
From my friend BJ Reese, but I guess they always running this, so the food game. But good stuff.
Sausage. You're welcome.
Thank you guys.